Pasok mo dito. Thank you. Anong kulay sa inyo, ma'am?
Ano po bang option? Thank you.
Merong yellow, plain na yellow, may peas, may white, brown, blue.
Brown na lang.
Muna, wait lang. Ate, paano ba to? Ayan.
Kuya, kasali ka din sa video.
Para na ako naka-blanket dito eh.
Ako paano ako matutulog?
Cute.
Maganda naman lahat. Maganda rin
Hindi
sa'yo.
na. Binibenta namin.
Kaya,
Pantulog?
pwede pang pasok.
Pwede rin.
Oo.
Ay, pang duty. Pag sila
Oo.
nagtanong pa sa atin na
Sabihin mo may COVID eh.
COVID bukas.
Ganda.
Ano tsura?
Cute.
Isa.
Kung merong
Ah, da. Ito lang. Okay na to?
Opo. Thank you.
Okay. Hindi na tayo masyado protected. Are, baliktad.
为了追本这个时代，已经看到了。还是要专门的黑米上来的黑，每个是所有的所有的，希望是为了黑黑呀，厉害。
Sauna.
Muna tayo sa first station. So we have 3 stations po here at this one. The GAF tree, there's a lot of benefits of GAF tree. It will be blossom by month of June and July only. So the benefits of this GAF tree is good for athletic people. It can boost your immune system and also good for vegetarian. Why? Because the leaves of this tree can use as your salad. Where you can see it.
Really? Hindi ko kasi masyado mag-visualize yung tsura niya.
Ito po kasi,
Para siya makahiya.
Yes,
Yung maliit niya, maliliit na makahiya.
Parang
Ganyan lang kaliit?
Oo.
Hindi na
parang
siya lalaki?
Hindi na po. Yan na po yun. Makikita nyo rin po.
So, pag may nakita kayong isurang makahiya,
Ayan. Okay, this is the next one. This is the next tree that we have here in Hatta Garden.
Sama.
Yes, this is summer tree. This is the most expensive honey that we have here because there's a lot of benefits of this tree. And also it will blossom by month of April and May only.
ano
Yes,
kaya?
May, June and July.
June.
This
Ah.
one is April and May. The benefits of this tree is good for the heart, antibacterial, antifungal properties, and also good for constipation and fast digestion. Yes, and then
Para sa itsura.
ano
yung
lang po
dahon,
siya.
diba?
Opo, parang naman ano naman siya.
Mas loose yung
buhay,
dahon
oo.
niya. Ah, okay.
Yes.
Para may quiz mamaya
Tayo na alam.
Tandaan nyo,
Mamaya, oo.
Picture.
And the third tree that we have here is cedar tree. This
Lotus.
Yes, familiar po ba sila sa cedar tree?
Mm.
Ito po siya, itong
Okay.
tree na to. And then yung flower po niya, it looks
Yung
like
walang leaves na yun?
Yes
Ito.
po. Itong medyo ano nga lang po.
Yung parang trunk lang siya.
Dry na po.
Black talaga yung flower niya?
Yes po. Purple. Nakikita nyong light flowers, yan po yung pwede nilang kolektahan kung sakaling wala pong season for this tree.
Hindi nyo po ang mura ba?
Oh, kasi June, July.
Actually, per season lang kami nag-extract. So, every farm that we have around UAE, they planted summer, gap, and cedar. So, if once blossom, the bees will go there. That's okay. So, the second stations are the beehives. So, the beehives, we have different kinds of beehives. So, we have the older beehive and modern beehive. For the beehives is the home or the houses of the bees. Okay? So, I will start with the older ones. So, the wooden started from US and Europe. But right now, we're calling it international beehive since we can find it around the world.
Yes.
Okay? Next one, mud and palm. Mud and palm started from UAE. That's why we call it Emirati beehive. Okay? So we go,
Ayan, yung mud.
yeah, this
Oo.
one.
Ito,
So
mad.
we'll go here in the clay hive. Clay hive started from South Africa. And then skep
ayun.
hive started from Western Europe. Then last one, Algabu beehive started from Saudi and Yemen. So the one that I mentioned is the older beehive that we're using before. And they have different ways of extracting the honey. So it's very hard to get the honey in this beehive because it's manually done. Okay?
Yeah.
Compared to the
yung
modern beehive.
bee-script.
Mm. Nakatrabaho siya.
Okay.
As compared to the modern beehive, so we have two kinds, the polycerine and Hatta hive. So this is the easiest way to get the honey. But this polyester we're not using anymore because it's easily to break. Kasi made lang siya sa foam.
Yes.
Yeah.
Style.
Kaya, yung
Yung
kumpanya
bio.
namin, gumawa ng bago. Ito, Hatta. So, the Hatta is only made from plastic but is easy to carry and clean. And as you can see, there's only 2 colors. The 2 colors of this beehive is one of the bees can recognize because the bee have 5 eyes.
Oh, nice.
Then,
Ano
put
po?
it inside. Smoker.
Anong laman?
Karton.
Carton.
lang.
Yeah. Then this smoker helps the bees relax and also calms them once we open the beehive. So they will not attack us guys or get panic everywhere. Okay? As you can see, we already have some bees here. So the kind of bees we have here, this one are all Italian bees. Okay? Yeah. My passport. And in one beehive, inside we have 60,000 bees. Okay? Yeah. Then I have 2 kinds of bees here. I have the queen bee, the mother of all the bees, and then the worker bee or female bee. I will show you first the queen bee. Because the queen
Yun.
bee,
It's very big.
I want to see the
Oo.
queen bee.
the queen bee is only 1 per beehive. Why?
Yes.
Because the queen bee gives birth to 1,500 eggs every day.
Yes.
Mm.
Nanood ako ng documentary niya.
Ay, galing.
Para lang sa araw na to.
Hindi ah. Mahilig ako sa
Naghanda.
documentary, gaga.
I thought nag-research ka na.
Tapos 2 times bigger siya than the other
Yes.
bees. Then we put a blue mark on the top of her head so we can recognize her easily. You can also help me find her.
Ano po nalagay niyo?
Blue?
Mark. Yeah, mark. Blue mark.
Paano
If you see the blue that beekeeper, kinukuha siya sa pakpak niya tapos nilalagay ng mabilisan. Ito yung mga females.
Asan po yung bee?
Females
Lahat
lahat
yan,
yan?
Kuya?
Hindi.
Female.
Yung may blue.
female lang.
Paano
Anak.
malalaman kung babae at lalaki?
Babae, may stinger. Lahat. Lalaki,
so
wala.
ang sting lang babae?
Oo. Kaya si Jollibee, walang stinger.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi.
Ano ito?
Malaki yung isa.
2 times siya.
Ayun oh.
Ayan. Yan siya.
Ayun, yun.
Ang galing. Hindi siya ganyan malaki.
Mm.
I-focus mo.
Maybe ano lang.
Tapos you're not allowed to touch the queen bee because once you touch her, the other bees will attack you.
Yes.
She is protected. Yan. So that is the queen bee. The
Ang
queen
galing,
bee
ngayon
lives
ko lang
the
nakita
longest. She's living 5
Pero I
years.
thought the queen is so big compared to the rest.
Depende sa kind of
pareho lang.
bees. Because the
Kasi
Italian
mas malaki pa
bees,
before eh. May mas malaki pa na iba, di ba?
Kaya ayun,
Ay,
depende.
magkaka-same size.
Italian kasi to. Mas prefer namin yung Italian kasi mas light
blue
sila.
na yun,
What do you mas light?
Mas
minart
light
nyo.
sila sa other kinds of bees. Opo,
Mas
ginawa.
Kaya nag-mark.
kinder.
Yung
Tsaka mas mas
Yung last
Ay, oo
lighter
nga.
color.
I mean, mas light sila, mas magaan sila, mas mabilis sila gumalaw kaysa sa ibang bees. Kaya nakaka-produce sila ng much
Mas
more
maraming
honey kaysa sa other bees. Because yung iba, malalaki. So, matagal sila lumipad or matagal sila gumawa ng honey. Yun, gano'n. Ang dami na nila.
Na sila.
Yeah, so that is the queen bee. So, the queen bee, if this one gets lazy in between those 5 years, the worker bees or female bees allowed to kill her. So they can just start making a new one. Yeah, they can start making a new one by choosing on each one larva who will become the next new queen bee. So the larva,
Paano
is-
malalaman?
Paano yung malalaman?
Paano sila nag-choose, no?
sila ang may sarili silang instinct.
Utak.
Tapos,
Like,
magtuturn na lang siya ng colored blue?
Hindi,
Hindi,
minamark nila.
mark yan. It's not natural ate.
Oh, nice.
Etong larva, nakita niyo tong puti? Yan yung larva.
Oh, shucks.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Larva yan?
Larva, second stage ng life cycle ng being a bee. So, if you are the most healthier larva, you will get chosen, then they will keep feeding you royal jelly. That's why you will become more big like her. That's why. So, the queen bee is not eating honey, only royal jelly. That's why. Royal jelly is coming from the stomach of the nurse bee. Nurse bee are the one who keeps feeding all of the queen bee's baby. Yeah.
So they have their own function.
From
Sa queen bee's beehive. Sometimes, kinakat namin open yung stomach ng queen bee.
Ah, gano'n?
Oo, kaya mahirap kunin ang royal jelly. Kaya napakamahal ng royal jelly.
Ano
Okay.
siya? I mean,
Pero nakuha namin siya mostly sa queen bee's beehive because sometimes we have 2 or 3 more queen bees here. Because if the queen bee goes outside the beehive, it's very bad for the beehive because once the female bee or worker bees can sense that, they will start making a new one over and over again. Yeah.
so kailangan lagi siya nagtatagal dun sa...
Kailangan 5 years, hindi
Paano
siya
siya
lumalabas.
papakain yung royal jelly?
Royal jelly? Sa
Nilagay
ano?
niyo lang?
Oo, di ba sa larva? Yung larva, pag ikaw yung pinaka-healthy, ikaw yung na-choose nilang as a queen bee, magiging next. Yung worker bee, even nurse bee, they're the one who keeps feeding you. So, they will give you royal jelly, not honey.
Saan nanggagaling yung royal jelly? Sa
Sa
flowers?
stomach. Hindi. Sa stomach means natural siya. Na
Okay.
build
Para
up.
siyang enzyme sa tiyan nung nurse.
Natural na talaga siya.
Okay.
Hindi mo siya makukuha kahit saan. Sa loob talaga siya ng bee.
Ng bee.
Oo, kaya ganun. Kaya kailangan patayin. Yan. Kaya mahal din ang royal jelly. Napaka-rare din. Ayun. Tapos yun yung queen bee. So, after the queen bee, the male bee or drone. The male bee or the drones are the one who keeps eating the honey non-stop and they don't have a singer. And the one who keeps mating with our queen bee for 3 months. That's it. That is their only job. That's why they are not that much
So, yun naman
important.
trabaho nila.
Okay.
Kaya nga,
So, iba-iba sila ng function. Akala ko lahat pumupunta sa flowers. Tas,
Oo. Hindi, pero ang nagtatrabaho lang talaga, female bees and worker bees. Female bee or worker bees have 6 jobs. They have different kinds. So, we have the cleaner bee. Cleaner bee are the one who keeps cleaning inside the beehive and also the hole. So, the
Nililinis nila.
itong beehive. Minsan kasi may mga patay, may mga dumi, may insekto.
Tatanggalin
yan.
nila?
Mga tae nila.
Kinakain nila.
Hindi, tinatanggal nila, nililinis.
Tapos hindi pa.
Ilalabas. Yeah, oo. Yan yung mga cleaner bee. Tsaka para malinis yung hole so that the queen bee, ito, nagagawa niya ngayon, nag-hatch siya ng egg. So, para siya nagpupupo inside the hole. Yan.
Kaya umiikot.
Oo, kaya siya umikot. Naghahanap siya ng malinis na hole para makalay siya ng egg.
yung hole na yun, dun siya
Eto, parang
Yan,
ganito.
yung mga butas-butas na
Yan.
Paano kayo makakapag-extract ng honey? Akala ko honey yun.
Eto, hindi. Meron kaming separate na frames. Minsan kasi, hindi sila nagagawa sa isang frame ng
Ng honey.
ng honey.
Ano siya,
Minsan
puro
may
larvae?
pupa, di ba?
Oo,
Pupa, larvae, tapos baby or egg, tapos honey. Minsan itong buong frame na to, puro honey. Ito yung kukunin namin. Hindi namin kukunin to, itong may mga pupa. Kasi kailangan pa namin mag-develop ng bagong bees after 3 months. Ayun. Kaya ganun gagawin namin. Kasi pag ito kinuha namin, di ba, sobrang naman.
Anong lifespan ng itong mga bee?
Wala.
Etong mga
This one, 3
female.
months. 3 months.
3 months yung female worker.
Ang pinaka lang, may wasp na naman.
May wasp.
Okay.
Hayop talaga to.
Insekto po siya, sabi.
Ay, nako.
Ang laki.
Anong ginagawa ng wasp? Hindi siya natatakot sa bee.
Ang tapa nga nitong hayop na to eh. Ayan. So, ayun. Tapos yan yung cleaner bee. After ng cleaner bee, nurse bee. Nurse
Ayun na,
bee is the one
napapakain.
who keeps feeding all of the larva. Royal jelly or honey for 3 days. Okay? This one.
3 days?
3 days lang.
Ano yung
Tapos,
tsura nung nursing bee?
eto. Magkakapala sila. Isa lang.
Ay, isa lang sila ng
May
itsura.
kanya-kanya silang
Function.
nakakaalam.
Oo,
kung
isa
sino
lang
sila.
itsura nila, pero iba't iba yung trabaho nila.
Sila nakakaalam kung nakadesignate kung anong trabaho nila.
Yan. Tapos yung nurse bee, sila nagkikip, ng larva. Nagpipi, nagpapakain. Tapos after 3 days, cover nila ng cocoon or pupa.
So after 3 days, sila din na magko-cover.
Oo, sila din mag-cover. Tapos, itong cover na to, mag-hatch. So, they have different types of
Tapos magiging
hatching.
bee na siya.
Okay.
So, if it's a new queen bee, 16 days until it hatch. Male bee or drone, 24 days. Female bee or worker bees, 21 days until it hatch.
Ang tagal din pala.
Tagal. Pero between 3 months yun.
Okay.
Tapos, ayan. After nun, architect bee. Architect bee,
Nagumagawa
ng
ng
hexagon
hive.
wax. Hexagon wax is made by pollen and honey that they are chewing together. Yun lang. Yun lang yun. Hindi kami gumagawa
Hindi
nito.
kayo gumagawa?
Oo, sila gumagawa
So,
yan.
ilalagay nyo lang yung frame, sila nagagawa.
Sila magagawa niyan. Galing siya sa
So,
pollen. tsaka
ganyan
honey.
siya, Karo.
Ganyan lang siya.
It's
Tapos
an
may
empty
wax
frame.
paper tsaka baking paper. Yun lang.
Para lang may karoon ng
may
mold
flat
lang.
siya.
Flat lang.
Di ba? Ang galing. Yan. Tapos after nun, security bees. Security bees are the one who keeps protecting our queen bee and also protect